Good morning class. Today we will learn about the chemistry of class 10, chapter 1, and the topic is effects of oxidation reaction in everyday life. What is today's topic? Today's topic is effects of oxidation in our everyday life. In previous video we had learned about the what is the oxidation reaction and what is the reduction. In this video we will learn about the effects of oxidation reaction in our everyday life. Number one effect is corrosion. Number one effect is corrosion. What is corrosion? The gradual heating up of metals by action of air, moisture or a chemical reaction on their surface is called corrosion. What is the corrosion? Corrosion is the gradual degradation of metal or gradual heating up of metal by the action of air, moisture or a chemical reaction on their surface is called corrosion. In the process of corrosion, the upper surface of metal become corrode. It means gradual degradation of metals occur in this process. For example, rusting of iron. In our everyday life or mostly in rainy season, we have seen that the upper surface of the iron metals become corrode due to the action of air or moisture present in our atmosphere. By this, the upper surface of the iron become corrode and that is known as rust. Red or brown color layer appear on the surface of iron, that is known as rust, and the formula of rust is 2Fe2O3. It means iron oxide or ferric oxide 4Fe plus 3O2 become 2Fe2O3. This is known as rust. So what is the corrosion? The gradual heating up or gradual degradation of metal by the action of air, moisture or any chemical reaction. This is known as corrosion, and by the corrosion the upper surface of metal become corrode. And for example, mostly seen example in our everyday life is rusting of iron. By this, red or brown color of layer appear on the iron surface, that is known as rust. In this process, iron reacts with atmospheric oxygen or moisture and form ferrous oxide, that is known as rust. Number 2 is rancidity. Number 2 is rancidity. What is rancidity? It is the oxidation of oils and fats in food. In food, what is present? Oils and fat. So what is rancidity? Rancidity is the oxidation of oils and food which is present in our food. By this process, food become rancid and their smell and taste change. By the process of rancidity is the oxidation of oxidation of fat in oil which is present in food material or food substances. By this, food become rancid and the taste of the food and the smell of the food or odor of the food changes. For example, in summer season, if we are taking some vegetables or cooking oils etc., after that, if it is openly kept in a room or kept in a kitchen, then it become oxidation occur of oil and fat. By this, the taste of the food and smell of the food changes. This is known as rancidity. For example, for the prevention of rancidity, what we are doing for the prevention of rancidity? Refrigeration of food. We are keeping food in the refrigerator. Number second, we are adding preservative in food material like in packets of chips or kurkure etc. Nitrogen gas are filled inside that packet for the prevention of rancidity, and we are doing some antioxidants in food for the prevention of rancidity. Same as corrosion. Corrosion also degrades the surface of the metal. That's why it is very dangerous. Like for the prevention of corrosion, we are applying paint on the surface of the metal. Galvanization is there. These all are the processes of the prevention of the corrosion. So class, this is the last topic of the chapter 1, that is corrosion and rancidity. Now in next video we will start chapter number 2, that are acids, bases and salt. Your chapter 2 is acids, bases and salt. So in next video we will start chapter 2. This is all about the chapter 1. Thank you.